Zoho Meeting Review, Usage Experience. In this video, we're taking an in-depth look at Zoho Meeting, a cloud-based video conferencing and webinar platform. If you're considering Zoho Meeting for your business or team, check out the links in the description below for more details. Zoho Meeting is designed for professionals and businesses looking for a reliable, user-friendly solution to host online meetings, webinars, and virtual events. One of the key features of Zoho Meeting is its intuitive interface. Whether you're hosting a simple meeting or a large-scale webinar, the platform makes it easy to schedule, invite participants, and join meetings in just a few clicks. You can host both video and audio meetings with screen sharing, file sharing, and real-time chat to ensure effective collaboration. The platform's HD video quality and clear audio create a professional experience for all attendees, whether you're in a one-on-one meeting or a larger group setting. For teams that require regular webinars, Zoho Meeting offers a webinar solution with features like customizable registration forms, automated reminders, and the ability to host up to 1,000 participants. This makes it ideal for training sessions, product demos, and online conferences. Plus, you can record meetings and webinars, which is a great feature for keeping a reference of important sessions. Security is also a strong suit of Zoho Meeting, with features like end-to-end encryption and password protection to keep your meetings safe from unauthorized access. The platform also supports waiting rooms and host controls, allowing you to manage participants effectively throughout the session. Zoho Meeting integrates well with other Zoho applications like Zoho CRM and Zoho Projects, making it a great fit for businesses already using Zoho's suite of tools. It's also available across different devices, meaning you can join meetings from desktop or mobile. In conclusion, Zoho Meeting offers a solid, feature-packed platform for businesses looking for a versatile and secure video conferencing solution. With its easy-to-use interface, robust features for both meetings and webinars, and strong security, Zoho Meeting is a great choice for teams of all sizes. Check out the link in the description for more information.